everyone, this is Alami Sally from BSHM 1C9. Today I will tackle about the three models of communication. So first we have a linear model. So linear model by Shannon Rivers, 1949. So based on my understanding about this linear model, this model present communication is a one-way process. And they have also a key elements like source, message, channel, receivers, and noise. And nasa try not strength, simple and straightforward, but useful for understanding the basic communications flow. And last is na siya limitation. Ang iyang limitation kay it ignores feedbacks and assume that communication is static. And the second is we have interactive models by Sharam 1954. These models, based on my understanding, these models as the elements of feedback like emphasize the interactions between the senders and the receivers. And ang iyang key elements po sa interactive models kay ni ka siya encoding, decoding, and gina siya po siya kanang fields of experience. And they have also same sa linear model na sa siya kanang limitation of strength, like acknowledge ang iyang strength kay na-acknowledge siya feedbacks and allows for a more dynamic view of communications. And iyang limitation kay still somewhat simplistic for a complex exchange and may overlook context. And the last is a transactional model. So by Barlon 2008. So models view communication as a simultaneous process where both sender and receivers are active participants. Like, and yung key elements kay kanang siya context, noise, feedbacks, and the continuous nurture of communications. And yung strength kay more accurately reflects the real life communication as ongoing and interactive. So yung limitation kay can be complex and maybe kanang difficult to analyze. And ang ilang comparison and contrast kay kanang ilang similarities kay all models aim to explain how communications occurs. And each models emphasize the importance of message transmission. And ang ilang differences kay ilang directionality. Ang linear is a one way, while ang interactive is a two way. And ang transactional kay is a simultaneous. So, and ang kaduhan nilang kanang differences kay ang ilang complexity. Ang linear is the simplest, while ang transactional is the most complex. And the kay role katulo kay the role of feedback. Ang role of feedbacks kay ang linear kay naga-ignore siya og mga feedbacks, while ang interactive kay includes it transactionals emphasize it as continuous kanang murag same ra sila. So mao na sila ang ilang kanang comparison and contrast. And ang to summarize all the kanang sa understanding nako about sa kanang three models of communication kay kanang nag-help sila na to understand og usa ka importance ang communications kanang unsaon na to pag-apply sa daily communications like sa various fields na to like sa media, sa education, sa kanang kuan sa kanang conflict and resolution, like communication is kanang murag kuan na jud na nato siya, kanang murag way na jud na nato siya kanang how to interact with that kan sa people